Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Back with another video. So, 2 days ago, there's a video called Dragon Ball Tale, and Dragon Ball Tale, and it's a film. So, I saw a quick clip, a 4 minute clip of that animation with who was it? Goku and Vegeta and Chi Chi. Chi Chi was fighting. Oh wow. But Chi Chi was in there too. They were both fighting. All three of them were fighting, and then Goku unlocked his new ability. So I really wanted to see that. So, but this short film came out 2 days ago. So I'm about to check this out on how it's going. So the animation looked good. So I'm about to check it out. So let's get into it. See your pet shot. Okay. Showing a good dedication. Okay. Planet Vegeta, Hydro Galaxy. Raditz Tanaka.
My son, stay strong. Your crown is here, and your kingdom awaits your return.
Ooh. Oh, so I think it's continuing. Maybe.
Just how stupid can you be?
Have we ever met?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the beginning of Dragon
If you
Ball.
don't mind that, can you just tell me what I forgot so I can remember?
Unbelievable! And did you forget the promise you made me as well? You promised to marry me, Goku!
Ah, yeah. They go all the way back
Life's
now.
over.
Yeah, they definitely go all the way back.
Is that all you can say for yourself?
He thought it meant food though. Goku thought it meant food. Alright, so this is starting to be okay, so this is starting from the other video. Chi should have been dead. Kakarot. Like how they did that. Legendary.
The green light, the gold you fashion. It's not every day that a king leaves his throne, but for you, I make a royal exception.
They didn't change the atmosphere. They forgot that part.
All my life I've trained for this one moment. For the pride of the Saiyans! For my family. And yes, even you, Kakarot. Saiyan legend, hear me! Today a god falls. Bones to dust. Ashes to the wind!
This doesn't miss me at all. I like that he grew his tail too. Woo! Damn. I like that. When he went black, like then he just said, no, fuck that, I'm still going. He keep turning back. Ooh. They're going down the scene. Yep. Alright, so what this new form gonna do? Oh wow, really? I thought he was going to do Galley Gun.
I remember. It's Chi-Chi, right?
Kakarot, stop calling me that. That name is your birthright. For you, just like I, are the legacy of a proud race of golden warriors. We are the keepers of the primal light. Your light is out of control and must be refined to be useful. Your days under the sun are numbered, Kakarot. So marry that woman while you still have the chance. And come with me. We have to prepare.
For what?
War.
Okay, damn. Oh. Ain't done with y'all yet. Wow.
Hi, I'm Nasser Pasha, and I'm the creator of Legend of Dragon Ball Tale. There's a lot I'd like to say, but I'll save most of it for another time. First, I'd like to say thank you to each of you for taking the time to watch this film. Your attention is greatly appreciated.
Yeah, no problem.
As well, I'd like to give a huge and sincere thank you to my entire team who helped me bring this film to life.
Stray Dogs.
Their work is supremely skillful. I've gone ahead and dropped links to their socials in the YouTube description of this video, so please do take the time and check out all their work and share it with your friends. And lastly, it goes without saying, but animation takes a lot of time and energy and focus and stamina and budget and time. We had all that stuff except a budget. My entire team did this out of the sheer enthusiasm for Dragon Ball Z and the project itself. If this film was something that you really loved and you're excited to see more of my other work and animations, please consider contributing to my Patreon. Your patronage will be deeply appreciated. And who knows, maybe the next one won't take 4 years.
Wow, so that took 4 years?
Anyway, thank you for your time, attention, and support. My planet needs me.
Damn. All right, man, that was good. Yeah, that was really good. I like the animation. I like that style. And that's what I've been saying, like, you know, the pencil sketch with that animation is really good. I liked it. You know, animation does take a while. It actually costs like how much does each episode of anime cost? I think it costs like over $1,000 for each anime episode, I think. Yeah. Like, that's a lot of work. So damn, that took 4 years. I didn't know that took that long. Damn. So you started 2018? Damn. Shit. Well, that's a long time. But it worked out. So we got good results out of it. Got 2 million views in just a few days. So that's really good. So shout out to him. But I liked it. I liked it a lot. So let's talk about the fight. I liked the fight. It was very fluid. Everything was everything was in order. So and I liked how when he went Super Saiyan and the tail just grew out when he turned Super Saiyan. So whenever, like, you know, Vegeta, it seemed like he lost consciousness, his hair would turn black, but then when he regained it, he turned back into Super Saiyan. So I liked that. So usually when usually Vegeta, he gets, you know, he always get beat up all the time. So they need to redeem Vegeta, yo. They gotta redeem him. They gotta redeem Vegeta. I'm tired of him seeing him lose. They already gave Goku already has a moment. They gave Gohan a moment. They gave fucking Piccolo a moment. So yeah, we need Vegeta. So Vegeta has to be just let Vegeta beat one enemy. Just once, please. Just once. Like y'all keep letting him lose all the time, man. But anyway, it was a great animation. I really liked it. If y'all like this video, subscribe, like the channel, and y'all have a good day and you have a good weekend.